Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to understand one of the most important basics in decoupage, chalk paint. By the end of this session, you'll understand what chalk paint is, why we use it, and where you can use it in your projects. So let's start very simply. Chalk paint is a type of paint that gives a soft matte finish. When it dries, it does not look shiny at all. It looks smooth, slightly powdery, and very elegant, which is exactly what we want in most decoupage projects. Just observe the surface, see how there is no shine. That's the beauty of chalk paint. Now the question is, why do we prefer chalk paint, especially in decoupage? There are three main reasons. First, no heavy preparation. You usually don't need sanding or primer. You can directly start painting on most surfaces. That makes it perfect, especially for beginners. Second, it is very easy to work with. Even if your brush strokes are not perfect, the finish still looks beautiful. You don't have to worry about perfection either. You can also blend colors easily to create soft backgrounds. Third, it's perfect for a vintage look. You can create a soft, aged effect very easily. You can use chalk paint on MDF, wood, boxes, trays, and even furniture. It works on many surfaces, which makes it very versatile. In decoupage, we mainly use chalk paint for backgrounds. The matte finish helps the napkin or the rice paper stand out clearly without any shine distracting from the design. One important thing to remember, chalk paint should always be sealed. You can use wax or varnish to protect your project and give it a finished look. This step is very important. Don't skip it. So let's quickly revise. Chalk paint gives a matte finish. It needs no heavy preparation. It's beginner friendly and it's perfect for vintage and decoupage backgrounds. Before we move ahead, think about this. Where can you use chalk paint in your next project? Before we end this session, just take a moment and look around you. You might already have so many surfaces at home, a tray, a box, or even an old wooden piece that you can completely transform using chalk paint. The best part is you don't need perfect skills to begin. You just need to start, and slowly you'll see how beautiful your projects come together. In the coming lessons, we'll explore more simple techniques that will help you build confidence and create professional looking results step by step. So take your time, observe, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the process of creating.